Welcome to our Mock Interview Pro series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of technical engineer interviews. This video is packed with insights and strategies to confidently tackle the questions that might come your way. Let's get started with our first question, focused on teamwork. Can you share an experience where you collaborated on a technical project with a team? Interviewers ask this to gauge how well you work with others and manage teamwork dynamics. Here are some points to help you craft a compelling response. Begin with a quick summary of the project and your role in it. Emphasize the collaboration and teamwork aspects. Discuss the technologies or methods your team used. Talk about any challenges and how you collectively overcame them. Wrap up with the outcome and what you personally learned. Now, let's look at an example of how you might answer this.
In my last role, I worked on developing a web application, focusing on back-end development using Node.js and MongoDB. Our team encountered data handling issues, but through teamwork and brainstorming, we enhanced our API's efficiency. The project was completed on schedule and greatly improved the client's user experience.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for technical engineer. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Can you describe a tough technical problem you solved at your previous job? What was your approach? This question helps interviewers understand your problem-solving skills and how you handle technical challenges. To build a strong answer, consider the following tips. Select a specific problem you've encountered. Explain why it was challenging and set the context. Detail the steps you took to resolve it. Mention the technologies or methods you used. Conclude with the outcome and the lessons learned. Here's an example answer to illustrate this.
In a past position, I tackled a significant server downtime issue affecting our app. I identified traffic spikes as the root cause through data analysis. By implementing a load balancer, I significantly reduced downtime, improving user experience and system stability. This experience taught me the importance of proactive monitoring.
Have you ever dealt with a conflict within a technical team? How did you manage it? This question aims to assess your conflict resolution skills and ability to maintain a collaborative team environment. Consider these strategies when preparing your answer. Clearly identify the specific conflict. Explain your role in resolving the issue. Highlight the outcome of your intervention. Emphasize the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Reflect on how this experience contributed to your professional growth. Let's look at a sample response to this question.
During a project, two engineers clashed over a database design approach. I organized a meeting to facilitate open discussion. By actively listening to both sides, we developed a balanced solution that satisfied everyone, enhancing team cohesion and productivity.
If a critical system were to go down, what steps would you take to restore it? This question tests your ability to handle high-pressure situations and your technical know-how. Here's how you can structure your response effectively. Start by quickly assessing the impact and urgency of the outage. Check monitoring systems for alerts or logs indicating the cause. Keep your team and stakeholders informed about the situation and expected downtime. Implement a rollback or failover if possible to restore functionality promptly. Conduct a post-mortem analysis afterward to prevent future incidents. Here's an example of how you might respond.
Firstly, I'd assess the impact by contacting affected users. I'd then check logs and alerts to find the issue's root cause. Communication with my team would be key to keeping everyone updated. If a failover system is available, I'd activate it to quickly restore service. Post-resolution, I'd analyze the issue to prevent recurrence.
A client reports their application isn't performing as expected. How would you handle this situation? Interviewers want to see your client interaction skills and how you troubleshoot performance issues. Consider the following approach to addressing this question. Acknowledge the client's concerns and thank them for bringing up the issue. Gather specific details about the application and its performance issues. Ask clarifying questions to fully understand the problem's context and severity. Check logs and metrics for anomalies or failure points. Communicate your findings and suggest potential next steps to the client. Here's how you might frame your answer.
I'd start by thanking the client for their feedback. Then I'd gather detailed information about the performance issues they're experiencing. Reviewing application logs and metrics would help identify any performance bottlenecks. I'd share my findings and discuss possible solutions with the client to ensure we're on the same page moving forward.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free. Just grab it below.